If your hair is breaking, dry, or shedding, or refuse to grow, this treatment will change everything. I mix aloe vera gel, almond oil plus more natural ingredients and apply it to princess hair. After just one section, the softness, shining, and strengthening shock me, my people. No chemicals, no salon. Watch to the end. Watch to the end because this is one of the best natural hair treatment for growing and moisturizer, especially for adult hair and children also. Both of us can use this treatment. So guys, let's dive into the video. Right now, I'm showing you guys my pure almond oil, 100% almond oil. So you can use almond oil of your favorite carrier oil that you want. It's available. You can use any carrier oil that you choose, but I choose almond oil. So right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel into my bowl. Aloe vera gel also, don't say maybe you have the plant and you are just going looking for the one that I'm using. No, I'm using it because I don't have the plant and I cannot get access to buy the plant one to make it. So this one is also okay for me to just get it easier. So you can get this one or you can use the plant that you have from your house. Just cut it and remove the poison from the mouth and start to use your aloe vera gel. So why I put my aloe vera inside, now I'm adding my sweet almond oil. I'm putting that one also 2 tablespoons or inside, because like this treatment, you know, is special. It's very special treatment. I'm preparing it for my daughter, and I already did it, but she was at the school and you know she was not at home. I make mine. So once she come back, I say why not, let me make her own during in the camera. While I'm making it, I can film that one. So that is why you guys are seeing this thing. But after applying it to her, definitely I'll put her in the heat cap, and me myself, I'll sit in the heat cap. So if you are interested, please watch to the end and see how we are going to make this thing. So when I check the amount that I put inside of 2 tablespoons is not going to be enough. So that is why I added half more tablespoon inside. So for me, adding the half more tablespoon because I want the thing to be okay or to be enough for my daughter. I don't want to just do and coming back to prepare another one again. So my people, while I'm mixing my ingredients, let's check and see the benefit of aloe vera gel, right? Let's check and see the benefit of aloe vera gel. But I'm adding the sweet almond oil also. I'm adding 1 more tablespoon inside because you know everything have to be equal, you know. So aloe vera gel, let's check. Aloe vera gel is deep moisturizing dry hair. If you have dry hair and you are using it, it's going to deep moisturize your dry hair. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of honey also. It's also reducing hair breaking, and if you have dandruff in your hair and you are using aloe vera gel, it's going to reduce it. Aloe vera gel is boosting natural hair growth, you know, boosting your hair growing naturally without any chemicals, nothing. Aloe vera is very powerful. When you do your own research, you can see more benefit about aloe vera gel. I cannot sit to mention everything here. So after my aloe vera gel, let's move to sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil also is strengthening weak strands and adding shining and softness. Is also reducing hair falling. So sweet almond oil, for you using it now, I'm adding my vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil, that one I'm going to add 1 full tablespoon inside. So if you are using sweet almond oil, if you have hair and your hair is falling, or you're having hair, your hair is not shining naturally, or your strand, you have problem with your strand, try to be incorporating sweet almond oil into your treatment. Is going to help you. So after sweet almond oil, as you guys can see, the next ingredient was my vitamin E oil, right? So right now it's time I finish mixing everything and I bring my daughter here. So right now what I'm going to do, her hair is dry, so because of it dry, I know aloe vera is a little bit wet, so it doesn't mean that because of it's wet I should just leave it without dampen it more. So definitely I'm going to use my hibiscus spray to damp her hair small before apply the treatment to her hair. So let's check and see vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil benefit. It's also repairing damaging hair, improving scalp healthy, and preventing spill ends. So if you have damaging hair, you are using vitamin E oil is going to help you a lot. Vitamin E oil is the best thing. So now you can see after mixing it, this is the amount that I got. So because of her hair is in the mini braids, so I know definitely it's going to be enough for me amount that I make. As I told you people in my previous videos, like if your hair is in the mini braids or mini twists, or you make a cornrow without adding essential hair inside, you have to know that you can still do treatment to your hair. Let's say for my daughter last week, okay, today is what? Today is Monday. That was last week weekends I make her hair, so I was planning the following weekends I'm going to do this treatment to her, because opening her hair now the time is not enough. So now when I just open her hair, I'm not getting time to get to do all the treatments to her. So but when her hair, I put the hair in the mini braids, because that's the only thing I always do for her. When I put it in the mini braids, then that's the time that I'm getting opportunity. I know the following week I'm not going to do anything to her. So what I'm going to do is the treatment. I will do the treatment, whether I will make the hair treatment or I make a hot oil treatment to her, so that before 2 weeks or 3 weeks time and I open her hair. So now let's move to honey, guys. Honey also is having natural humectant. It's locking in moisture to your hair. It makes hair soft and manageability. It's also reducing dryness and freezing in your hair while you are using honey. You are adding honey to your hair. So this is very, very powerful. Please, my people, let me know if you watch it up to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel. This is your first time across in this channel. Please kindly do me a favor. Subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. I really appreciate you all. So this is one of the most powerful natural hair treatment I have ever used on princess hair before. If your hair is, if your hair is breaking easy, your hair is just breaking easy, feeling dry or looking dull, this is for you. This treatment is for you. And it's for check your children also. If your children also have the same problem, it's for them also. You can make it for yourself, you can make for your children also. Hair need moisturizer, not harsh product. That is why this treatment use only natural ingredients that feel the hair and scalp very good and soft and healthy. So you don't need to be rushing using chemical things. Let us stop using those chemical things to our hair and our children hair. Aloe vera gel is the best of the treatment. It's hydrating the hair deeply and helping reducing scalp irritation, scalp dryness also. If your scalp, you have irritation scalp, or your scalp is dry and you are using aloe vera gel, is going to help you to come out from it. Why sweet almond oil also treating weak strands and giving the hair healthier shining without weighing it down, because sweet almond oil is a light oil, so while you are using it, it's not going to weigh your hair or it's not going to weigh the product on your hair. Okay, you can just do it very perfect. It's going to be okay for you. So why honey also and vitamin E oil or oil? Vitamin E oil, as I told you guys earlier, vitamin E oil is also repairing damaging hair and supporting healthy hair growing from the scalp while you are using vitamin E oil. And honey also is locking moisture into the hair, making it soft, smooth and easier to detangle while you are going to use it. So this treatment, you can use it to detangle your hair. Also, you can use it when you break it. Let's say you open your hair and you want to detangle it, you can just use this treatment to do it. And you can use it while your hair also is in the mini breeze or mini twist. It's available, it's very easier thing to do it. And as you see how I do, just mix all the ingredients until you get a smoothed cream. Okay, and this texture is the very powerful for easier application when you are going to apply it. So after apply everything and finish, so now it has come to be when you are going to pack the hair, because this hair need to pack very well to simulate very well into her scalp. I want her to sit at least 15 to 20 minutes. So this 15 to 20 minutes, first I use this rubber to cover it, and use the other rubber bag also to cover it again. So now I'm going to put her in the heat cap also, just for 15 to 20 minutes. But if you are going to put your child, or you yourself, even you are going to put yourself into a heat cap, make sure that you don't make it too much heat. Make it in a medium heat to sit down, so that the treatment will penetrate very well to your scalp. It's very, very good, especially with those who have low prostate hair. To do this type of treatment, and you put your hair inside the hot cap, is going to help you a lot. It's going to penetrate very well. Guys, look at my daughter, what she was doing for me. Sometimes she's doing her eyes some way. I don't, me myself, I can't do it. She will just do the eye somehow. One eye will go inside, one eye will be, I don't know how she's doing it. Actually, me myself, I can't do it. Yeah, anyway, so now guys, as you guys can see, I put her in the hot cap. So it's just for 15 to 20 minutes for the video not to be long. So I cut some parts because I don't want the video to be too much long again. So that is why I cut some part. But when you are going to use yours also, please just say 15 to 20 minutes. It's going to be perfect for you. And don't make it too much heat, because too much of heat also, you may feel too much heat from your hair or your scalp, or damage yourself again. So guys, after 20 minutes I remove it, and I use her sleeping bonnet, sit bonnet, to cover her. So because I still want her to sit down with the hotness, so that I'm also going to sit for my hair. As I told you guys earlier, I did it for myself while she was in the school. So now me myself also, my hair is already more than 20 minutes. Okay, but as an adult, no problem, you can say like 30 minutes even. But the children one, just make it easier for them, 15 to 20 minutes. Now my daughter is giving me kiss. She says she wants to kiss me. When I send my head there, she's trying to bite my ear. This child. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate you all. Please, if you watch it up to this point, as I said, if you know that you haven't subscribed, this is your first time crossing this channel, kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. I really appreciate you all. Until our next video, please support us. Okay, yeah, bye bye.